Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU model and current driver version. That determines which package to use. Once done, download the correct Nvidia package for your operating system and check its checksum to avoid corrupt installs. Make a system restore point now and close resource-heavy apps so the installer can run cleanly. You do this to prevent interrupted installs and to have a rollback if settings change. This first step saves time and reduces risk before the actual installation begins. You run the Nvidia installer and pick Custom Install when you need a clean slate. That removes previous driver remnants and prevents conflicts. If you prefer speed or minimal change, choose Express. Make sure to deselect components you don't need, such as GeForce Experience, to avoid extra services. Watch the installer progress and check logs in Program Data or the installer window for warnings. Once the installation signals completion, reboot as prompted so kernel modules and services reload correctly and changes take effect. After reboot, you verify the driver with Device Manager, Nvidia SMI, or the Nvidia Control Panel to confirm the new version and functioning GPU. If you encounter crashes, stuttering, or missing features, try a rollback in Device Manager or restore your system point to return to the prior state. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and run display driver uninstaller, then reinstall the correct package. This clears leftover files and registry entries. One tip: keep the previous driver installer until you confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.